Welcome to the Commercial Access Control Systems Guide. This practical buyer's guide assists organizations in planning, installing, and upgrading building access control systems, including door security, key card systems, and integrated video security. Commercial access control systems have evolved into critical technology decisions for organizations. They manage entry, zone access, and credential use, impacting security, operations, and compliance. Proper design reduces risks and enhances security, while poor design can introduce vulnerabilities. BTI Communications Group offers expertise in deploying these systems across various environments, ensuring informed decisions and effective integration. A commercial access control system electronically manages entry and exit at doors, gates, and more, using identity credentials and schedules. Key components include access control panels, credential readers, door hardware, and software platforms. Proper design starts with hardware compatibility, ensuring effective policy enforcement and system integration. Mechanical key systems pose security risks due to untraceable access and costly rekeying. Electronic access control mitigates these by deactivating credentials and software, enforcing time-based access, and maintaining audit trails. This enhances security, supports compliance, and improves operational efficiency, especially for multi-site organizations. Access control needs differ by industry. Healthcare requires compliance support including HIPAA, DEA, Joint Commission, and state safety standards. Industrial sites focus on durability and peak traffic and compliance with CMMC, GMP, ISO, FDA, TSAC-TPAT, local fire codes, and even OSHA requirements, not to mention insurance and customer contract mandates baked into agreements. Offices balance security with user experience. Data centers need strong credential controls and IT integration. BTI's checklist can help assess security gaps before upgrades. A door-by-door access control design is crucial for reliable performance and compliance. Each door's unique characteristics, such as traffic volume and security classification, must be evaluated. This process involves a physical survey and classification by security zone, ensuring appropriate hardware and software policies are applied for each opening. Door hardware is crucial in access control systems, ensuring doors secure and release properly. Selecting the wrong hardware can lead to failures and safety violations. Key types include electromagnetic locks, electric strikes, electrified mortise and cylindrical locks, and electronic deadbolts. Each has specific applications and limitations, requiring careful review against door type, frame, and codes. Choosing between fail-safe and fail-secure locks is crucial in access control design. Fail-safe locks unlock during power loss, suitable for egress paths. Fail-secure locks remain locked, ideal for high-security areas. Each decision must consider egress requirements, fire alarm integration, and Americans with Disabilities Act compliance, with approval from the authority having jurisdiction. Hardware durability and duty cycle are crucial for high-traffic openings. Devices must match the expected annual cycles to avoid premature failure. High-traffic areas like main entrances and cafeterias need American National Standards Institute Grade 1 heavy-duty hardware. Ensure access control panels are equipped with suitable power supplies and surge protection to handle frequent use. Throughput is crucial in access control design. Insufficient throughput leads to queues, tailgating, and security breaches. Analyze the transaction chain: reader read time, panel decision, lock release, door open, and relock time. Each component affects total throughput. For example, 13.56 MHz smart cards offer 100 to 200 milliseconds read times, suitable for commercial use, while biometric readers are slower. Turnstiles and speed gates enhance pedestrian entry control by reducing unauthorized entry risks like tailgating. Selecting the right type involves assessing security needs, throughput, architectural constraints, and Americans with Disabilities Act compliance. Options range from decorative speed gates in office lobbies to full-height turnstiles at industrial sites, each offering unique security and throughput capabilities. Credentials are crucial for access control, evolving from unencrypted proximity cards to advanced smart cards and biometrics. Each type offers different security levels and use cases. Understanding their security, interoperability, and operational trade-offs is essential for selecting a viable credential system. Consider legal implications, especially for biometrics, to ensure compliance and privacy protection. HID's credential ecosystem is pivotal in North American access control. The SEO's platform, using Origo Cloud Provisioning, supports both physical and logical access. Converged credentials streamline identity management, reducing orphaned credential risk. HIDI Class SE offers enhanced security, while HID Mobile Access simplifies credential management via Bluetooth Low Energy and near-field communication. Choosing between cloud and on-premises access control is crucial. Cloud offers lower upfront costs, automatic updates, and minimal information technology staffing. On-premises provides full local operation, data sovereignty, and broader integration. Consider your information technology model, compliance needs, and budget to decide the best fit for your organization. BTI supports a range of access control platforms, including Contec, Software House, Avigilon Alta, Avigilon Unity/Access Control Manager, Brevo, RS2/Access Control Related Enterprises, Alarm.com for Business, and your six. Each platform is chosen based on its fit, supportability, and integration capabilities, ensuring long-term serviceability and effective deployment across various environments. BTI supports access control through ecosystems like HID for secure credential design, Access for video verification, and Avigilon for security operations. 2N and iPhone enhance intercom and visitor entry workflows. Reliable door hardware from brands like ASSA ABLOY and Schlage ensures code compliance and serviceability. These ecosystems ensure robust, integrated access control solutions. Modern access control systems thrive on integration with video surveillance, human resources platforms, visitor management, and more. These integrations enhance policy enforcement, incident investigation, and compliance. Designing for integration from the start maximizes return on investment, reducing operational friction and extending system capabilities. The convergence of physical and information technology security is crucial. Access control systems are network devices requiring cybersecurity measures like firmware updates and virtual local area network segmentation. BTI Communications Group integrates access control with video surveillance, voice over internet protocol, and cybersecurity, ensuring comprehensive security. Compliance documentation, such as access logs and audit reports, is maintained to meet client and regulatory requirements. Regulated industries like healthcare, finance, and government require specific access control designs. These include physical safeguards, visitor controls, and log retention. Compliance with regulations such as Health Insurance Portability and Accountability Act, payment card industry, data security standard, and system and organization controls. 2 involves maintaining access logs, visitor records, and access reviews. Cyber insurance may also demand evidence of robust access controls and incident documentation. Access control systems must consider privacy, life safety, and industry-specific regulations. For example, Illinois Biometric Information Privacy Act requires written consent for biometrics, while California Consumer Privacy Act/California Privacy Rights Act mandates opt-out rights for biometric data. National Fire Protection Association 101 ensures egress safety in buildings. Organizations should consult legal and compliance experts before implementing these systems to ensure adherence to applicable regulations. A well-designed access control system can produce valuable evidence for audits and reviews. Key outputs include access event logs, user provisioning records, access review reports, and visitor logs. These records support compliance with frameworks like Health Insurance Portability and Accountability Act, Payment Card Industry Data Security Standard, and Sarbanes-Oxley Act, aiding in investigations and security reviews when properly configured and maintained. BTI Communications Group manages access control installations across California, Illinois, and Arizona, providing necessary licenses and insurance. For national deployments, BTI coordinates with licensed local contractors. Select international projects are supported through planning and oversight, contingent on local regulations and resources. Documentation is available during the proposal process. BTI conducts comprehensive site surveys before quoting access control projects. This process identifies door hardware specifications, network and power infrastructure needs, and compliance requirements. Documenting existing conditions, like legacy wiring and fire-rated openings, prevents budget surprises and ensures accurate project scopes, fostering trust between BTI and clients. The quality of an access control installation is judged by system functionality and comprehensive documentation. BTI ensures that closeout materials support management, expansion, and compliance. Documentation-driven delivery is key, reducing future costs and supporting serviceability. Closeout deliverables include wiring diagrams, equipment location drawings, hardware schedules, network documentation, and compliance packages. Access control systems require ongoing maintenance, including firmware updates, hardware inspections, and credential audits to ensure security and compliance. BTI offers managed service agreements for lifecycle management, covering inspections, updates, and technology planning. Regular activities include door hardware inspections, firmware updates, and credential audits, all crucial for maintaining operational and compliance standards. Avoid common access control mistakes by conducting a door-by-door site survey to specify hardware accurately. Upgrade from 125 kHz proximity credentials to modern smart options. Design for peak traffic to prevent queues. Ensure fire alarm integration and establish a credential offboarding process. Review legal implications for biometrics and define closeout documentation requirements. Ensure a door-by-door site survey is completed and fire-rated openings are reviewed. Evaluate credential options, considering 13.56 MHz smart credentials. Decide on cloud versus on-premises architecture. Identify regulatory frameworks and compliance needs. Plan for system maintenance and lifecycle, including firmware updates and technology refresh timelines. You may benefit from completing this access control planning worksheet before engaging BTI or any installer. Answering these questions thoroughly will put you in a frame of mind for a precise consultation. It aids in internal documentation and request for proposal processes. Key questions include the number of doors, buildings, credential technology, existing systems, regulatory frameworks, and budget. This preparation will determine whether you really need a provider like BTI or just a locksmith to install a keypad and doorbell for your access control needs. BTI Communications Group offers a unique approach to commercial access control, integrating expertise across security, information technology, converged cyber and physical security, and compliance. We recommend systems based on client needs and support a focused ecosystem, including Software House, Cantech, Avigilon, Brevo, Axis, RS2, and HID Technologies. BTI serves California, Illinois, and Arizona directly, with national and select international support available through licensed partners. BTI's journey began in 1985 with Bracket Telecommunications, evolving into BTI Communications Group in 1992. Over decades, BTI expanded from telecom to a full-service provider, integrating voice over internet protocol, information technology infrastructure, cybersecurity, and physical security. Today, BTI offers comprehensive managed technology services, ensuring access control is part of a cohesive business technology environment. BTI Communications Group offers comprehensive support for access control projects, from planning to installation and management. We provide direct service in California, Illinois, and Arizona, with national and select international support. Our expertise spans access control, video, alarms, information technology infrastructure, and more, ensuring a cohesive security and business technology environment.